You need to grab it in the center.
Come on.
Don't put me on video. Oh, problem solver.
So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is a hot and humid one here today. But first thing on the agenda, we're gonna go brush hog some trails. And then when I get back, I should have a truck here making a delivery. I've got some more lumber coming here to frame inside the building because we need a bunch more lumber. I've got some 10 footers right here. I got some 12 footers and some 8 footers over there. But I have 150 12 footers coming this afternoon. And that should be just about all I need for this side of the building, for the game room over here. Now over here, I'll need a bunch more. But lumber prices have dropped some more, so I'm going to figure out everything I need for this side of the building right here and get that ordered and get it delivered so I have it here. Now, before we go outside and get started, I want to go over a couple things. A lot of people have been asking why I'm not using treated lumber on the bottom. I am using treated lumber. May not look like it, but that is definitely a pressure-treated 2x4 right there, and we will continue to use them all the way around the building. Now, Melissa and I, we just got started the other day, and there are also some questions why I don't just run stringers horizontally across here, because you see the way I'm doing it right here. These are flush with the posts. I'm putting a wall inside here. And the reason is, in this whole game room area here, we're going to have horizontal siding in here, like tongue and groove. And then down on the bottom, I'll probably come up like 3 feet with some metal, like galvanized looking metal, like old looking tin. I'll come up about 3 feet on that, and then tongue and groove wood the rest of the way up. So that's why I'm framing vertically on this side of the building here. But over on this side of the building here, I will run them horizontally just from post to post. So this will be real easy. This will go quick over here. Won't take long at all. Last night, grandson Ty was over here running around inside the building. He loves this in here. This thing must look ginormous to a 2-year-old. All right, we are in business now. Plenty of wood. This is 150 2x4s, 12 feet long. These came from Damball Lumber Company, and so far I have been playing the lumber game pretty well. These were, I'd have to check, I think just under $6 a piece. Now keep in mind they're 12 footers. That's about a third, not quite, but about a third of what these things cost just a few months ago. I unloaded all these out in front of the building there, and had to run out for a little bit, came back, and Levi had brought all these in here and stacked them up, ready to roll. I think tomorrow night, him and Christian, my nephew, are going to come up. They both want to learn a little bit about framing. Not that I'm an expert at all, but I can show them a few things. So they're going to give me a hand there tomorrow evening. Speaking of my nephew Christian, the other day we went down to his place and we shot a video, and he talked all about growing giant pumpkins. And it's kind of funny because I knew the video wouldn't get as many views as what our videos normally do, just because it's not really our thing. But I promise you, everybody that watched that video thoroughly enjoyed it. He has seriously done his homework on this pumpkin growing thing, and I think it was fascinating. There is way more to it than what I thought there was. So when you have time, check that video out. I think it's called My Nephew Christian Growing Giant Pumpkins or something like that. But it's a great video, very informative. So it's now, what is it, Tuesday morning? Yeah, Tuesday morning right now. And I'm out here in the building just doing a little bit of framing. And here in a little bit, I need to leave. I'm going to look at some different retaining walls for out there by the cistern tank. I have an appointment with a guy to go check something out. Hopefully, it's something that we could use and that we like. It's supposed to be hot again today, which kind of brings me to my next topic, mini split air conditioners. I was just online there looking at Mitsubishi. I don't know much about them, but it's my understanding for what we're trying to do here in this building, it would be a pretty good option. So if anybody knows much about those Mitsubishi mini splits, let me know. I'm trying to find a dealer around our area here, but I'm sure I'll come up with something here pretty soon. So Melissa's on her way back from the gym right now. I can get these up by myself, but it's just a little bit easier with two people. So once she gets back, we'll put that section up. But back to this lumber thing, I have learned over the last couple weeks, you definitely have to play the game. If you're looking to build something right now, I do think now is the time. But I think it's important to check around and just try to get a feel for things in your area, because prices are dropping so quick, but that doesn't mean, at some point they might just go right back up again. It's a very unstable market, but so far I've been doing pretty good. But like I said, these were just under $6 a piece, and just a few months ago, they were almost 3 times that much. It's unbelievable. So we've all heard a ton of different reasons why lumber prices went crazy. It's my belief the truth is probably a combination of all those things. But I did hear another one the other day when I was down at Danball Lumber. The guy down there, he's a great guy who watches our channel. He said that there's a shortage of truck drivers as well, which I knew that in other industries. But those are things we don't think about. You know, there's loads sitting. They just can't get them shipped. And everything's just all jacked up. It is. But anyway, it's my opinion that it has never been more important than it is right now. If you're looking to build something, to do some shopping around, make some phone calls, and try to stay on top of it, because things change quickly. But now seems like a pretty good time to start buying lumber again. All right, we got another section of wall in right there. I don't know why I do it, but I should allow myself some more room. You know what I mean? I make them so they fit real snug. Yeah. And sometimes you got to whack them in there a little bit. But I think the next ones I'll maybe trim them down 1/8 or 1/4. I mean, they're nailed to both posts on both sides. They're nailed to the top. I'll put Tapcons in the bottom down there. And by the way, these are, I think I mentioned it earlier in the video. Doesn't look like it, but that is definitely pressure treated there on the bottom. And that one there went like this. So I had some struggles getting that wall up and getting it all straightened back out again. But the pressure treated, it moves a lot more than the other stuff. Yeah. But I got this one close. I just need to adjust it a little bit, and it'll be good to go.
I just got back from the gym and he needed my help. So here I am working out again. It's a double workout, but it's a sunny day out. So have my sunglasses on, you know, I'm in the building, gives you just a darker look of things.
Yeah, we were talking, I mentioned earlier about those mini split air conditioners.
Yeah.
I don't know much about them, but from what I heard, that's what we want. I'm trying to find a supplier for the Mitsubishi ones. Okay. But it gets hot in here during the day.
To make this wood swell.
It gets really hot in here. But by the time you get the ceiling done in here, and the insulation up there and all that. But yeah, I think the mini splits will be the way to go for this side of the building. But to wrap this video up, I wanted to say, I was talking earlier about lumber prices. I do think now's the time to buy, but it is important to shop around because prices change daily. But so I saved so much in this last load, I can probably buy another tool.
See how he does.
Here, wrap this video up, Melissa.
All right. Thanks so much for watching, for being here. Comment down below. Share these videos with your friends and family. Click the like if you like it, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.